Okay. So, hi audience, welcome to Hall of Fame interview with Meenakshi, and so very congratulations to Meenakshi on a selection with Anov IP. So, Meenakshi, how was your experience with Anov IP when you came?
Hello.
So, Meenakshi, how was your interview experience with Anov IP?
My interview experience, ma'am, was good. They were asking about a lot of chemistry question and IPR questions, and which related you, which you taught, and which you give you the study material. I have read about that because 5 to 6 days started course. Uh, I have selected an interview, so
Okay.
no live class there.
It's okay. So, Meenakshi, so tell me something about your background, what qualifications you have.
Actually, ma'am, I have done MSc Chemistry, Organic Chemistry from Jaipur National University, Jaipur.
Mhm.
I have done my graduation in Delhi University, and the past 3.7 years, I am working in InnoData India Private Limited as a patent data associate.
Okay.
It is quite different with IPR.
Mm-hmm. So
But now I'm
how? Please continue.
now I'm getting job in IP as a IPR patent associate.
Patent associate. So this is what I think you dreamed for, that you want to change your or switch your job. That's what you wanted.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So why you were not satisfied with your last job? What were the things you felt while lacking in your last job?
Not I have worked in data that's what related to the patent, but that was not actually IPR. That's a little bit data structures related job,
Mm-hmm.
or it was started in the core IPR.
Mm-hmm. So, how do you think that when you entered into this program, you lined up your interview so quickly? So, how do you think it was like? Was it an amazement or aha moment that you got selected like so quickly?
I feel very good about that.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I think uh, I think I should go in want to go in the Gurgaon location, but I'm selected in the Delhi. But I think that was also good. So I decided to join Delhi NOYP right now.
So, this is what you wanted. Like it was like at your location which you wanted to go for.
I wanted to go in Gurgaon actually,
Okay, you wanted to go in Gurgaon. Well, maybe you can give more
but
interviews in
but
near
if,
future.
yeah, of course.
All right. So when you were enrolling into this program, so how did you gain trust? Okay, this is going to be of some support. This is going to be helpful. So were there any apprehensions attached, and how you overcame that to be at this point where you said, okay, this is where I want to be?
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, I've searched about IIPTA. Uh, I've already know about that, but I'm thinking right now that I should go for that course. That's why I gain knowledge about the IPR. Um, I think I should go for it. Then I have started.
Okay, great. So coming from a chemistry background, right? Coming
Yes,
from a
ma'am.
chemistry background, how you think like patents is a very good profile from a, because there are many people who are from chemistry background. So any message you want to give it to those people who do chemistry background and want to enter into IP as a career option?
Actually, by the chemistry background, IPR is a good option because R&D is quite some. It's very low. I think everybody not got in the R&D selection in R&D. There are low amount of job.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, so it's a good field for go for that IPR.
Mm-hmm.
And
So
I've
you.
already do job in related to the IPR, so I have idea about that.
Mhm.
And my lots of friends are working in IPR. So
Mhm.
I know about that.
Great, awesome. So very congratulations to Meenakshi, and you can still continue with the course because you still have a lot to learn into this,
Yes,
and you
ma'am.
can give more interviews in the near future. We are here for you as promised. Like we said, we will be in your journey, and you want to grow ahead, go ahead. We are there for you.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Thank
thank
you.
you so much, and congratulations to you and to your family who are like who has been supporting through all of this transition from one job to another.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Thank you, Meenakshi. It was nice talking to you. Thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.